Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make this easy assembly for this Pulley support. We already have all the components, so let's go ahead and assemble them. Now let's open a new SolidWorks document. This time we'll select here assembly, press here OK, and I'll have to import all the components that we made. So we must have 5 of them. Click once for each of them to insert it. And now if you couldn't find them like I did, you'll have to go to here, insert components, and then you'll have to go to browse and you'll have to look for the place where you save them. Alright, now let's make this plain white and make sure that this part is the fixed one, because the first part you insert will be the fixed one. You will not be able to move it. In my case is this bushing, so I'll have to right click on it and select here float. Now I want this one to be fixed. Right click on it and select here fix. Alright, now let's go ahead and assemble them. First we're gonna start with this bushing and this pulley. Select this face with this one and select here concentric. Now we'll select this face with this one and select here coincide. And now select this face with this one. When you select more than 2 faces or components or lines or points, you have to keep Ctrl press from the keyboard. And now select here concentric. And now we'll select this face with this one and select here coincident. And I'll have to insert this bolt. So select this face with this one, select here concentric. And now select this face for the small pin with this one and select here concentric. Alright, now let's insert the pin and the assembly should be finished. Select this face from the pin with this face from the support, select here concentric. And now let's select this edge from the pin with this edge from here and select here make tangent. Alright, and now this is the assembly. If you want to make the exploded view for this, we can go up here, go to assembly, go to exploded view, click on it, and now have to make the steps for this exploded view. First we're gonna select this pin, because this is the first one that must be taken out. We're gonna drag it, right click, select the bolt, this is the second one, drag it up, right click, select the bushing, drag it up, right click, select the pulley, drag it to the left or up, right click, and now everything is disassembled. Now let's press here OK. Right click on assembly here on the text tree. We can select here animate collapse or collapse, and then we can right click again and select here animate explode. And this is it, the exploded view. This is how you can make it very easy. So this was the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Don't forget, if you like it, leave a like, subscribe and leave a comment with your opinion. See you.